Prince, hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. He's camera shy. Hey, buddy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hi. There we go. We can see you. He doesn't like my camera phone. Oh, he's doing his little woodpecker impersonation. You're doing a woodpecker impersonation on my feet? Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. We see you. Peekaboo. Hello? 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 Want to say hello again? Oh, is somebody feeling left out? Hi. Oh, listen to Mr. Sugar. Oh, hi. What you doing? Oh, watch him do his dance. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, you're showing off for the camera now, aren't ya? What about you, Prince? Are you feeling like it's time to do a camera dance? Oh, now you're just chewing on your perch to sharpen your beak. It's wonderful when a bird sharpens their beak, especially if they bite you when you try to take them out of the cage. Yeah. Are you feeling chatty, Prince? Nope, he just wants to do his woodpecker impersonation. Is that it? Are we done? Are we done? Oh, what about Butterscotch? Hi, Butterscotch. What you doing? Hey. Hi. She's a female cockatiel, so she doesn't really talk. Sometimes she'll do a little boogie. Oh, there she goes. Is she boogieing? She's boogieing. Oh, look at her go. Woo woo. Boogie boogie. Boogie boogie boogie. What about Sugar? Are you boogieing? Well, I suppose fluffing your feathers counts. What about you, Butterscotch? Boogie? You a boogie? Oh, I think that's about all the boogie we're gonna get from Butterscotch. Oh, it's nap time. What about you, Prince? Any more boogie? You boogie some more? Well, I think that's about all the boogieing we're gonna get.